Hello, this is your Asian friend Yung Yung here. How are you? If you go to a restaurant, Chinese restaurant, right, and then you don't know what to order, so they all written in Chinese letter in the menu. Point to the menu and just say this and that. Those two phrases. So first one, this. We say 这个. That means this. 这个. So repeat after me. 这个.
这个.
这.
这.
Yes, there's no English word or pronunciation for that. So pronounce with me. 这.
这.
Yes. 这.
这.
Yes. 这.
Okay, it sounds like jaw, kind of.
Jaw.
Jaw.
Like J-O-W?
这.
这. Oh, perfect. That's correct. 这个.
这个.
Perfect. Now you know how to point, and then you want this, right? This is 这个.
这个.
Good. Now you want pointed that. You want that too, right? That. That is 那个.
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 How to remember na? Na. Hey. Okay, so 那个.
那个.
That means it's that. I want that. 那个.
那个.
Perfect. Now you go to Chinese restaurant, you know how to point this and that.